Hi everybody, it's me, Miss Lucy, and my little daughter,
Juliet.
And this week I'm going to show you how to use scissors and how to cut. Okay, this is my little pretend imaginary alligator, and this is the eye right here, and this is its tummy. And this is the mouth right here. And I have a little song that we're going to sing so we can remember how to hold the scissors. And it goes like this: alligator, alligator, wait and see. Okay, and I'm gonna use my thumb and I'm gonna put it through the eyeball. Okay, alligator, alligator, you can't catch me. And I'm gonna put my fingers through the tummy like this, because I caught my little alligator. And alligator, alligator, safety first. I'm not gonna put the scissors close to my face because I don't want to get hurt, and you always have to be very careful with the scissors. Okay, and alligator, alligator, chomp, chomp, chomp. Okay? Yes, you may try, Juliet. Okay? So I'm going to sing the song with Juliet. Okay? Alligator, alligator, wait and see. Let me see your thumb right here. Your thumb, this one. Okay? And you're going to put it through the eyeball here. Alligator, alligator, can't catch me. Okay, put your pointer there and your other finger there. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, and alligator, alligator, safety first, away from your face. Okay. Alligator, alligator, chomp, 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 chomp. Follow the line. Open, close it. Open, close it. Yay, you did very good, Juliet. Wow. So you can try this at home, and you can do different patterns of lines and just follow cutting through the black lines, okay? You can do long pieces of paper or just different sizes of paper, okay? And practice at home. This is good for fine motor skills. Guys, I just want to say that I really miss you guys a lot, and send you guys a big hug and a big kiss to all my rainbow children and my sunshine friends. Thank you. Say bye, Juliet. Bye.